Hey guys, welcome. Today I have more fun products from BRONC. This is a new wireless power supply that they just sent me. It is called the R1. You can find it on Amazon. I'm going to try it out today on some of my favorite machines, the P6 and the Pneuma. Cool. Comes charged, looks like. Yep, that's awesome. 0.1 increment voltages. Very cool. Easy touch buttons here. This kind of interface reminds me of the BRONC Stavs with its nice touch screen. Long hold on and off, and start and stop button. Working hours up here on the top where you see the zeros, so it counts that. And it looks like they do have a jump start mode, so we'll check that out as well. Definitely has the cool Stavs design on the side. Of course, the Stavs has its own battery, so today we're going to be trying this on a couple of my favorite machines. First off, we have the P6. Significant increase in its length, but not too bad. I would say this battery is pretty light. Let me just brag about how light it is real quick. It is very lightweight. This BRONC is very lightweight. So it looks big, but it's very light. Does increase the length, but it doesn't seem to counteract the weight distribution, at least in the P6, which is a solid, good machine with variable stroke lengths. All this stuff is on Amazon. Follow link in the description below. All right, so this is a little Halloween cartridge. You can also find these on Amazon. So 7-round liner. So 7.4 volts right now. Seems like it's getting in. I love this P6. So I can change the stroke lengths. I'm at a 3.8 right now, which makes sense for what I'm doing. This stencil's a little bit light, so hopefully I can see. All right, so I'm a little ways into my little lining project here. I do notice that this machine runs beautifully on the silicone with this battery. I'm really happy with this BRONC battery. You can go wireless, and it seems to have a lot of gusto for this P6 here. The P6 does have the variable stroke lengths. I'm at a 3.8. You can kind of come down a little bit and see how it feels at a 3.6. Curious to pop on this other cartridge here and see how the battery runs. This is an 11-round liner. It's got that boost mode for starters. I could hear it on that one. Actually too high. I think this is definitely the best external battery I've tried so far. Pretty impressed here. Solid blacks going in. Nice. Me likey. Alright guys, I have my Pneuma here. I just want to see if this BRONC R1 can run on it. Let's try it out. You gotta watch that touch screen. Good thing I didn't have a needle in there, huh? 7 in. See how it runs on the Pneuma. The Pneuma has the needle depth on the back, so I'm actually kind of twisting the battery in and out to get the needle to change. Stencil's definitely getting hard to see. Probably not going to get this whole one in here, but we're playing around. Let's see how the Pneuma does. It's definitely more comfortable as it is shorter with the Pneuma on it. I like that. Let's try a larger needle grouping and see what it sounds like with that. It's got quite the start up with the 7. Okay, here's the 11. Yeah, that boost mode sounds really good on this battery. Sounds stronger than I've ever heard on one of these things. It's an 11 round liner. Doing some color packing here, black packing. Just leaving my cam in for now. We got the 3.6 cam in the Pneuma here, which is a nice middle range cam. A little bit of lining, a little bit of shading, a bit of packing. I'm really impressed with how well this battery is letting me bang in this 11 liner. It's very satisfying. Alright, that's about as far as we're going to go on this little piece. The stencil's definitely rubbing off. Definitely getting hard to get those details in, but as you can see, this battery here works awesome. We've been running it for about an hour and a half, and now this counter was reset when we restarted the battery, but as you can see right next to that, the little battery symbol is only about a quarter of the way down after an hour and a half. So you should get at least 4 hours, maybe 4 to 6 hours of work time, depending on what you're doing. I did a little bit of lining, a little bit of shading with larger needle groupings, and it seemed to saturate the silicone just fine. So it's really hard to choose a battery. I've tried a lot of different batteries, but this BRONC R1 seems to be the best that I've tried so far. I would highly recommend it if you're trying to convert your machine into a wireless machine. You can find it on Amazon. Please follow a link in the description below to support our channel. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more. Bye!
Are you brave? Do you want a tattoo machine? Submit your art to our monthly artist tattoo critique contest hosted by moi. Follow link in the description.
Thank you. Bye.